I was able to grab this. My parents are away and it shipped to their house, so I quick ran over this morning and got it.
Oh, no.
So I spent this afternoon installing it. It looks amazing.
Thank you.
It's concreted in now.
Oh, wow.
So it should not get removed. And it looks amazing. So
concreted in.
Yep. Yeah,
Wow.
I slipped the post in and it came right back out. So luckily we had some sonotubes left over from the fence project, and it's ready to go. So awesome. Glad for you all to be here. I'm glad I thought it was only going to be Annie and a couple other people, but it's nice to see the extended family. That's really awesome.
They all know me by Ann.
Yep, Ann.
My legal name is Annie.
Yeah. Okay. So, but I'm so glad to be able to do this, and I'm really glad that the Historical Society was able to do this with the Kern family, because, like I said at the dedication ceremony for the garden, without the Kern family and Roy C., this wouldn't be here. And it's, like I said, this is a very important house to the Schneck family and really the Upper Lehigh County area, for a tangible piece of history that really doesn't exist anymore within this area. So thank you guys, and I'm really excited to unveil this plaque.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep, thank you.
So you're not in the pictures.
So, drum roll please.
Okay. Do-do-do-do-do. Here, Mom.
There you go, Annie.
Oh, wow.
So it reads, the Schneck House sits on land donated by Roy C. Kern and Annie Schneck Kern to the Upper Lehigh Historical Society. The Kerns were instrumental in saving the house when they sold the land it originally sat upon, requiring the developer to relocate and restore this house. So, thank you very much.
Yay.
And this would also not have happened without Barb's help and influence and pushing and reminding and constant emailing back to keep me on point. So I thank her too.
Thank you, Barbara. I learned from my mom and my dad.
Yep. So,
Oh, that's
Thank
very
you,
nice.
and your assistance.
Very
I
welcome.
even like that.
Very helpful, and just, just did the extra mile. So I really appreciated that. Yeah, Adam, thank you.
Not a problem. It's my pleasure. Continual pleasure to work on this house.
Great.
I love
Oh, it does look wonderful. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
He's so excited about this house. I just shiver when I talk to him.
I remember this house my entire life.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to continue that way.
Cool.
Thank you, guys. So the
Thank
house
you.
is open, the
Is
garden
it-
is open.
So we could do a quick
Yep, you
tour
can look
and
around,
then
ask any questions you want.
Okay, quick.
Everything's open except for the attic, and you really don't want to go up to the attic.
Okay, so we could kind of
Yep,
mill
just
around. and
meander
then-
around, mill
and
around.
I haven't seen the garden yet.
Yep, so I can take you over to the garden.
Okay. And then I was thinking-